Remove the cap from the inhaler. Remove the cap from the spacer. Shake the inhaler well for 5 seconds. Insert the inhaler into the open end of the chamber. Ensure that the inhaler fits properly. Sit up straight or stand up. Tilt your head back slightly. Before starting to inhale, breathe out completely away from the spacer. Place the mouthpiece between your teeth and seal your lips tightly around it. Press the inhaler once, and then breathe in steadily and deeply. Hold your breath for 10 seconds, or as long as you are comfortable, and breathe out slowly. Repeat steps 3 to 10 after 30 seconds, if another dose is required.